Welcome back to Tech Talk episode 13, our luckiest episode yet because we are unboxing the brand new 2020 iPhone SE. So let's take a look at this. First, we have to open the box. Now there is a little pull tab, if you can see that, right over here. But no, we're gonna use the knife. By the way, for all the knife fans out there, Crenshaw Leak. I've had it for 10 years. Got it at the Army Navy store. It's awesome. So, iPhone SE. So what's in the box? Paperwork. Designed in California, should be made in the USA. Just if Apple's listening, should be made in the USA. Okay, we have our Apple stickers. Put that to the side. Much to my surprise, there are headphones in here. Wireless headphones. I can't believe this comes. $400 iPhone. Little update here. Actually, the headphones are not the wireless model. They have the plug right over here. Silly me for thinking you'd get wireless. And then you have the power charger and the cable. Look at the phone itself. I went ahead and got the black, and hopefully you can see that. You're not going to see much because it's black. Here's a camera over there, the light, the Apple logo. It's looking great. It's my feeling right now that the 2020 SE is simply the best value available to Apple fans or even Android fans right now. The inside of this unit is powered by Apple's A13 chip. That's the same chip, by the way, as in the iPhone 11 at $700 and the iPhone 11 Pro at $1,000. And it's a better chip than the iPad 7, the iPad Air, and even the recently released iPad Pro, both 11 and 12.9-inch models. They only have the A12 chip. I love that it has wireless charging capability, and the camera is fantastic. It has a portrait mode, just like the other ones, but you can also actually adjust the f-stops. Photographers out there will really like this. Plus, you can take 4K video. A few of us will miss the second or third lens, but for most of us, we will only miss the ability to take ultra-low light pictures. The average cell phone photographer is only going to post to Facebook and maybe Instagram. It's not going to matter. So yes, this is the best value phone out there, and I predict that many an Android phone will make the switch. In an upcoming video, I'll show you how Android users can switch over. It is so easy. This is also the best time for Apple to have a phone at this price point. With so many people out of work and many more, understandably, concerned about losing their job, it's going to be hard to justify spending $1,000 or more on an iPhone that has much of the same internals, just lacking a second camera. Stay safe out there. Thank you for watching. Like us and subscribe and give us a thumbs up.